I'm Nick Johnson, the Head of Strategy and Performance Marketing here at Scapecchio and the Avare Group. And today, I'm in the kitchen at the Three, and I'm delighted to be able to share with you one of my favourite Christmas traditions. And that's going to be how to make a traditional English Christmas pudding. Let's get going then, shall we? Okay, so first of all, let's get some ingredients to make this banger of a Christmas pudding for you. Et voila, our ingredients. Okay, so look at these beautiful ingredients we've got together. I'm feeling hungry already. Now, it couldn't be an easier recipe to follow. So first of all, we start with a little bowl of sugar, and in it goes. Then we have our eggs, which have been nicely beaten, just like Crystal Palace beats Liverpool every time. Some mixed fruits, some prunes, breadcrumbs, some walnuts, crushed nuts, and almonds, flour, cherries, a little dilly of this and a little dally of that one, and a little round about the arches with that too. And now we come to the most important ingredients, and my personal favourites as well. For those of you who know anything about British food, you know it always tastes better with alcohol. And what better have we got over here? First of all, we got a bit of rum. And then secondly, because of course we're here in Kentucky, we've got to have some great Kentucky bourbon as well. A little bit of Daddy's bourbon. Cheers. And then finally, we have some great Irish stout. Sláinte. Right, so now we just mix it all up together, pour it in a bowl, boil it up on the stove, put it in the oven, and Bob's your uncle. So here we are, after a couple of hours of boiling and baking, and we have our beautiful, traditional English holiday pudding right in front of us here. And now, for the most important part, the lighting of the pudding. Et voila, our finished traditional English Christmas pudding. Happy holidays to everybody from Scapecchio and the Avare Group. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.